Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Add the oil to the boiling water. Salt. Add spaghetti. Boil the spaghetti for 10 minutes. Strain the spaghetti. Oil. 1 tsp garlic. Boneless chicken. 2 chicken cubes. 4 tbsp soy sauce. 4 tbsp vinegar. 1 tbsp black pepper. Carrots. Mix for 2 minutes. Capsicum. Mix for 2 minutes. Cabbage. Add more to tbsp soy sauce and vinegar. Cover for 5 minutes on low heat. Salt to taste. Add spaghetti. Mix, mix, mix. Chow noodles is ready. Thanks for watching my